Hi guys, good evening. This is Josephine Cruzado, owner of this business page, Live Good with Josie. Um, I got my package from Live Good. This is my fourth package actually since I started Live Good last April 2023. So I chose this one because they have this international pack which is free shipping. So anywhere in the world you can order this from Florida without shipping fee. So might as well grab the opportunity na free ang shipping, right? So there you go, the Live Good. And yeah, let's check it out. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Surprise! Shanan! See? Oh, there's no so it's 6 items cost 89.95 only, and there's no shipping fee. So the first one will be this is my favorite multivitamins for women. Actually, there's multivitamins for men too. So this is really, I usually buy other brand for multivitamins. So since I live good, why not getting the multivitamins, and at the same time you have the business, right? So multivitamins capsules, there's 60 capsules, the vegan, soy free, and gluten free. It's bioactive complete for women. So yeah, take 2 capsules daily with or without food or as directed by a healthcare practitioner. It's nice. So that's one. And okay, and then next one would be D3K2. This is for vitamin D. So usually, especially those people in with winter season in here in Canada, we lack sunlight. So we need as a supplement for vitamin D. So this one is good, D3K2. Since I'm also buying from before vitamin D, might as well get it from Live Good. At the same time, you have the business. Okay, yeah, this is 60 capsules. This costs $8.50 for members. Yeah, it supports healthy bones and immune function. All natural vitamins, highest bioavailability. Yeah. Take 1 capsule 1 to 2 times per day or as directed by your physician. D3K2. Okay, the third one will be Ultra Magnesium Complex. This is magnesium, maximum muscle, nerve, and energy support. It helps relieve anxiety and promote bone strength, and even help reduce pain. So this one is really good. So this is the first time I'm going to take this one. This one costs $8.95 for member, and if retail price is $14.95. So it's best if you're a member and affiliate at the same time you do the business. The fourth one will be factor 4, the advanced inflammation management. It says factor 4 because it has fish oil, turmeric, coenzyme Q10, and garlic. This is to help you control and even reverse inflammation. Healthy heart support, supports joints and organ health, promotes immune healthy, promotes immune health, support healthy circulation. So it's good, gluten free, soy free, dairy free, GMO free. 60 soft gels, dietary supplements. And Factor 4 is the first and only supplement formulated with 4 of the world's most powerful ingredients: fish oil, turmeric, coenzyme Q10, and garlic, to help you reach optimal health. Adults can take one soft gel twice daily. Best taken with food and at least 8 ounces of water. That's factor 4. I'm excited to use this. So for 1 month supplement, it's only for members price is $18.50. And if it's retail price, it's $24.95. And again, you can save if you're a member. And if you're an affiliate, you can do the business and get that 7 ways of income stream. The fifth one will be Super Reds. The organic Super Reds. So it's a supplement and best for cardiovascular health, blood circulation, sexual health, brain, and cognitive function. Super Reds contain the highest amount of fruit and vegetable extracts known to help improve blood flow by increasing our body's production of nitric oxide, boosting blood circulation, supporting brain and cognitive function, and help to maximize our body overall health. So when it comes to healthy aging, nothing is more important than the health of our heart. And the best way to keep your heart healthy is a diet rich in red fruits and vegetables. So yeah, this one is really good. Super Reds, it costs members price $18 and for retail price is $24. So it's best to be a member and affiliate. So can you do the business and get the 7 ways of income stream? The last one will be Super Greens. Best in immune protection, energy recovery, stress support, digestive health. It's also organic, vegan, keto friendly, gluten free, dairy free, same like with Super Reds. Yeah, so yeah, this is a good package and it's the same price with red, 18 for members price and 24 for retail price. So best to be a member and affiliates. So that will be all for international pack with free shipping. So might as well try it. Bye. Thank you for watching.